Hello everyone, very warm welcome once again to Unacademy, that is India's largest online education portal. So we are going to proceed in our session right now here, as what you can see on your screen is a lunatic personality. Yes, we call him that only. His name is Kim Jong-un. He is the elected dictator of the state of North Korea. Just see the sarcasm. A dictator who is elected. Yes, you might be feeling like, sir, are you in the mood of being, bit jolly or joke? No, I'm not joking. This is a joke which Mr. Kim Jong has given to the whole globe. If you go on Google and search for the state of North Korea, you will get to see that North Korea is a republic democratic state of North Korea, where elections they do take place every 5 years, and Kim Jong-un is the only candidate who contests the elections, and you are forced to vote for Mr. Kim. And so he represents to the whole globe, as we are very much naive, we don't understand that yes, North Korea is a republic, democratic state, man, come on, right? So what is the news here? Why is this guy on our screen? So this guy is on the screen because he has once again taken another lunatic step of threatening America. We know it very well how sore relations, how much very sore, very cruel relations these two nations, North Korea and United States, they do have. And following the very same legacy of those cruel relations, right now, Mr. Kim Jong has given a statement that South Korea, Japan, and America, they are trying to create an Asian NATO. We know it very well. NATO is there, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, with many of the European nations. America is there, and some other fellow nations of America. They do have created a military alliance immediately after the end of the Second World War. And in that, they have stated that yes, any of the member country who is attacked by any non-member country, all of those member countries of the NATO, they will attack on that so-called non-member country who has attacked the member country of the NATO. And in that sense now, once again, North Korean dictator, the lunatic dictator, has came forward with a statement that yes, just like on the lines of NATO, America, South Korea and Japan, they are trying to create Asian NATO. But why so that's happening? Because just couple of days back, these three nations, they have conducted a military drill, which has not provided some good news, some good sense to the state of North Korea and to the dictator of North Korea. So the whole scene is in front of you here, okay? North Korea says US, South Korea and Japan, they are developing what? Asian NATO. अरे तुम ऐसा खुद ऐसा पटाखे जैसा बलून जैसा फूटने को तैयार है ये आदमी, ठीक है? ये पूरी दुनिया को ऐसा ही ना, जैसा ये है ना, ऐसा देखो, never he is the perfect example of never judge a book by its cover, है ना? Never ever. ऐसा दिखने में कितना क्यूट लगता है ना, right? Just like a teddy bear, but not a teddy bear. He is the most dangerous person alive right now on the planet. There are many dangerous persons. There were many dangerous persons, but he is the one who is alive. Every day, at least he kills one or two people in his estate. At least. Every day this guy goes ahead with. But you know how cute he looks. How innocent he looks. Right? Okay? But he is not what he looks. He is absolutely not. He is absolutely poles apart from his gesture, from his appearance. Okay. So what has the problem come here? इन्होंने क्या बोला कि यार ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, ये सियोल, टोक्यो और वॉशिंगटन मिलकर ड्रिल्स कर रहे हैं, मिलिट्री ड्रिल्स कर रहे हैं. प्रॉब्लम तुमको काहे को हो रही है? तुम तो खुद अभी रशिया को बुलाया रखा था, व्लादिमीर पुतिन को तुम बुलाया अपने घर में, उसको 21 तोपों की सलामी भी दिया, राइट? उसका एकदम प्रॉपर वेलकम किया और उसको बोला कि अब तुमको जो है कोई टेंशन लेने का जरूरत नहीं है, तुम्हारे साथ हम हाथ मिला रहा है, तुमको अमेरिका जो है मारने के लिए आ रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, मिलकर मारेंगे, राइट? और अभी देखो वही वाली बात है ना, तुम करो तो रासलीला, हम करें तो कैरेक्टर डीला वाली बात हो जाती है भाई, राइट? मतलब जब तक नॉर्थ कोरिया, साउथ कोरिया, अरे नॉर्थ कोरिया और रशिया कर रहे हैं तब तक बहुत बढ़िया है, बाकी कंट्रीज करने लग गई तो इनको मिर्ची लग जाती है तुरंत, right? Okay, so this is what he has claimed कि ये military exercise सही नहीं है. Further, what we can see here, the exercise was devised at a three-way summit in US at Camp David. Right, so I'm giving you something in news there. Okay, the locations in news, what we need to understand. Camp David. So where is Camp David? It's in US. Okay, so this is where once again the exercise took place. And on Thursday, they have conducted a drill known as Freedom Edge. Right, so guys, make it clear the terms in news here. Okay, Camp David to Aya location. This is the location in America. Okay, but we have got a term here in the news as well, known as Freedom Edge. Okay, this is the drill between whom? It is America, Japan and North Korea. अभी इसमें से नॉर्थ कोरिया वाला लेफ्ट में है कि राइट में समझ में नहीं आ रहा. बीच में तो चलो अमेरिकन है, ऐसा उधर अभी रेसिज्म खत्म हुआ है तो बीच वाला तो अमेरिकन ही लग रहा है दोनों के कंपैरिजन में. अब ये लेफ्ट वाला नॉर्थ कोरियन है कि राइट वाला नॉर्थ कोरियन है, मेरे को इसमें थोड़ा सा डाउट रहेगा अभी भी. ओके राइट, ऐसा समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो जाने देते हैं, छोड़ो. ओके, सो ऑन थर्सडे द यूएस, जापान एंड साउथ कोरिया दे हैड अ मिलिट्री ड्रिल एंड इट वाज नोन एज द फ्रीडम एज. और इस फ्रीडम एज में था क्या क्या? सो दे हैव गॉट द नेवी डिस्ट्रॉयर्स, the fighter jets and the nuclear powered US aircraft carrier which is known as Theodore Roosevelt. See, Theodore Roosevelt was once upon a time the American president, a very fierce president, a very clever or a president who was having a good hold in the public and a president who was having a very good hold in the geopolitics. So in his name only, Theodore Roosevelt, a US aircraft carrier is also made, and they were all of these things, they were involved in this Freedom Edge military drill. Right, see, with this the geopolitical gurus, with this the experts of the international relations, they have came forward and they have provided their own comments, which has provided bit of the stir, which has provided bit of the turmoil once again to North Korea, America as well as Russia. The tensions they have sparked as they have talked on the facts. देखो जब भी कोई facts में बात करेगा ना तो नॉन फैक्ट रहने वाले बंदे को टेंशन में होगा ही. Okay, so when we go ahead with the point here, it is absurd that North Korea, okay, someone gave this a statement, it is absurd that North Korea, the primary source of tension on the Korean peninsula. अच्छा, सी क्या बोल रहे हैं ये? North Korea, the primary source of tension in the Korean peninsula, है ना? ओके, कोरियन पेनिनसुला के अंदर, चलो एशिया के अंदर वन ऑफ द प्राइमरी रीजन है इधर नॉर्थ कोरिया. टेंशन बना रखा है भाई ने, राइट? सीरिया, सुडान, साउथ सुडान, अल्जीरिया, इधर तो टेंशन ही नहीं है. म्यांमार में टेंशन ही नहीं चल रहा है, बलोचिस्तान में टेंशन ही नहीं है, अफगानिस्तान में तो कोई टेंशन नहीं चल रहा, राइट? लिबिया में कोई टेंशन नहीं है, नाइजीरिया में कोई टेंशन नहीं है, राइट? टर्की में कोई टेंशन भी नहीं है, उधर तो नेपाल में भी कोई टेंशन नहीं चल रहा है. चाइना तो कोई टेंशन क्रिएट ही नहीं कर रहा है, साउथ चाइना सी से लेकर जो है गल्फ ऑफ एडेन से लेकर केप ऑफ गुड होप तक, है ना? अकेला एक नॉर्थ कोरिया को पकड़ा और बोलने लगे. भाई और भी कंट्रीज हैं, उनको भी देख लो, उनके यहाँ भी जो है टेंशन वो लोग स्पार्क करके रखे हुए हैं, राइट? लेकिन इधर बोलने का ठीक है. ओके, सो क्या बोल दिया कि एशियन नाटो बना रहे हैं. अरे यार, उसको टेंशन हो रही है, वो बोल दिया. इतना टेंशन, इतना काय को मगजमारी करने का, राइट? अब ये वाली जो इमेज है ना वो क्लियर कर रही है ना, ये अमेरिकन चचा, यू कैन सी हियर, ओके, हैविंग नाटो इन द पॉकेट. ओके, I guess you guys can see this, right? Or else I can zoom it a bit. Hold on, I'll just zoom a bit. Okay, so now I guess it would be more clearly visible, right? Yeah, okay. So NATO in the pocket with the NATO flags, these are the countries, and it's not enough, he's thinking. I need more. उठाकर flag ऐसा डालते जा रहे हैं. Now he'll just rotate the globe a bit. Okay, it's a bit side, okay, on some of the edges, and will poke this flag of NATO, the South Korea and Japan. तुम भी आ जाओ NATO के अंदर, ये वही अमेरिका है जो जापान को साफ कर दिया था 70 साल पहले, अभी उसके साथ मिलिट्री डील कर रहे हैं। होता है, दोगलेपन की हद होती है, चलो कोई बात नहीं, जाने दो। ओके, सो दिस इज द इमेज दैट गिव्स द क्लियर पिक्चर एंड फर्दर द अनदर इमेज हियर व्हाट वी कैन सी द अमेरिकन जोकर। ओके, ऐसा कानून की तरह हाथ लंबा किया है और पूरा एशिया तक अपने आप को फैलाना चाह रहा है। तुम टेंशन नहीं क्रिएट कर रहे हो, अब वो बेचारा नॉर्थ कोरिया टेंशन क्रिएट कर रहा है। तुम अपनी टेरिटरी में रह लो यार, राइट? चलो कोई नहीं। और नॉट सी, Seoul has said it will review the possibility of supplying arms directly to Ukraine. काय को? तुम भी चुपचाप बैठ जाते, अभी साउथ कोरिया पकड़ा। अरे तुम इतना सा कंट्री है, तुम्हारे पास सैमसंग के अलावा और कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है? इतना ये भी ध्यान रखो। अभी हम देखेंगे कि यूक्रेन को डायरेक्टली वेपन कैसे सप्लाई कर सकते हैं। कौन सा वेपन तुम्हारे यहां बन रहा है, राइट? ओके, सो दे हैव स्टेटेड विल सप्लाई डायरेक्टली, okay, to Ukraine. And then further, what you can see here, next thing, South Korea and US, they have accused North Korea of supplying weapons to Russia. Hypocrisy at its best. Who supplied weapons to Taliban? Who supplied weapons to Lashkar? From where these idiots are getting the modern day advanced weapons? Who is supplying the weapons to Al Qaeda? Who is supplying weapons to Boko Haram in Nigeria? Who is supplying weapons to ETIM, that is East Turkestan Islamic Movement in the Balochistan region or this Turkestan region? Who is supplying the weapons to the militants of this Myanmar? Right? Who is supplying weapons to, who was supplying weapons to Litte, that is LTTE, Liberation of Tamil Tigers Elam, during the civil war of Sri Lanka? There you were very much, honest, wearing that white canvas on your very beautiful body. Nahi, I am a sant, I am a mahant, I do not deal in weapons. And today, right now, these idiots, they are claiming, they are actually not claiming, they are actually kind of defaming. Whom? See, कि भाई ऐसा है, वेपन सप्लाई कर रहा है, ठीक है? वेपन सप्लाई का ना ये जो धंधा है ना, जो गोरख धंधा, द ब्लैक ट्रेड, द ब्लैक मार्केट, ये जो ना तब से चला आ रहा है जब से जियोपॉलिटिक्स शुरू हुआ है। ओके, सो व्हाट यू कैन सी, साउथ कोरिया एंड यूएस हैव अक्यूज्ड नॉर्थ ऑफ सप्लाइंग वेपन्स टू रशिया दैट आर बीइंग यूज्ड इन द यूक्रेन वॉर। हु इज सप्लाइंग वेपन्स टू इजराइल? प्लीज टेल मी, हु इज द बिगेस्ट सप्लायर ऑफ वेपन्स टू इजराइल? Who is supplying weapons to Hamas? Right? America, I don't think so you have the answer, so please, jane do. Okay? Then, Russia and North Korea have obviously denied such allegations. क्या फालतू की बकवासा करते हैं मियां, कुछ भी बोलते, ऐसा नहीं चलता ना. Utter nonsense, will just, keep on blabbering anything and we'll accept, right? Give me the proof and then come. Or else I have the proof that you have supplied weapons to Litte, Lashkar, Al Qaeda, ISIS, Boko Haram, ISIL, and everyone. They are using the weapons made in America, assembled in China. Okay. So guys, ध्यान रखना है हमें, इसे कहते हैं हम the hypocrisy at its best. Okay guys, so thank you so much. This is all for the session. I hope you loved the session, and if you did, so please do provide me your valuable feedback into the comment box, and please remember the Unacademy optional carnival. वो ऑन है आप सबके लिए। ये जो बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स हैं आपके ऑप्शनल के, अनअकैडमी प्लस पर अवेलेबल हैं। और साथ ही साथ ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि अभी जो अनअकैडमी का आपका जो कोर्स फी है, ओके, सब्सक्रिप्शन फी अनअकैडमी प्लस का, वो कितने का है? तो अगर इफ वी गो अहेड विथ द फिगर्स, राइट, सो इट्स सम 24,999, that is 25,000 rupees. But let me be brutally honest, it's not the correct amount. Use this promo code that is known as PMIAS, right? And on this 25,000 rupees, you'll have another 10% of discount. So this will go to 22,500 only. So 22,500 rupees only. उससे महंगा तो फोन है आपके हाथ में इस वक्त, ऑलमोस्ट उसी के अराउंड। आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? 15 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन, where these best educators Pratik Naik sir, Madhukar Kotwe sir, Mrunal Patel sir, Sudarshan Gurjar sir, Siddharth Arora sir. So, history, CSAT, economics, geography, polity and governance, and many more to come in the kitty, right? So they are there only and only on the Unacademy Plus. So guys, quickly grab this opportunity. Do not let it go. Just 25,000 rupees. और अगर आपने कोड लगा दिया IAS वाला, okay, that is PMIAS, so this is even 10% less, 22,500, even below. Right, everyone? So I hope I'm clear. Thank you so much for watching me in here. See you soon in the very next session. Bye bye. Take care. Jai Hind.